It's AumSum time!
What if our bodies become round?
No need. I'm already round.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our bodies become round, instead of walking, we may have to start rolling. Secondly, if our bodies become round, our weight may suddenly increase. Gym owners may get very, very rich. Thirdly, if our bodies become round, aliens might get amazed. They might try to pump themselves up. Fourthly, if our bodies become round, balancing would not be easy now. We may start seeing people falling here and there. Fifthly, if our bodies become round, our appetite may increase. People may start eating huge quantities of food. Lastly, if our bodies become round, people who are into bodybuilding may shift to a different planet.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What does soda do to your body?
It makes my skin glow.
No. Sodas contain high amounts of sugar. Within 20 minutes of drinking soda, the high sugar content enters our bloodstream and sends our pancreas into overdrive, thus causing it to produce a burst of insulin. However, over time, this can lead to diabetes. Also, as we drink more and more sodas, the high sugar content tricks our liver to convert this sugar into fat, which gets deposited around our vital organs, thus causing them to dysfunction. Sodas also contain various acids. These acids combined with the sugar can erode the tooth enamel, thus damaging our teeth. Phosphoric acid present in sodas is specifically believed to interrupt the process of absorption of calcium by bones, thus making them brittle. Besides this, overconsumption of sodas is also linked to kidney and heart-related diseases. What happens to our body when we get angry?
It craves for chocolates.
Listen. Anger is a quite complex emotion. For some people, in displeasing situations, anger can completely overpower them before the discretionary parts of their brain can think and make proper judgments. When we get angry, what happens in terms of brain is that it initiates our fight or flight response. First, a part of the brain called amygdala is activated, which signals the release of catecholamines and cortisol. These chemicals increase our heart rate and blood pressure, thus making us feel energetic. They even redirect blood from our intestinal tract to our head, hands, and legs, thus preparing us for some physical action. So, this is what happens when we get angry. Note that frequent anger isn't good because these chemicals also release fatty acids, which can accumulate in our blood vessels, decreasing blood flow, thus increasing the chances of heart attack, stroke, etc.